Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for function and graph. Given we have the f bracket 3 minus 2x which is equals to x over x minus 2. Find the fx. State the domain and range for the situation given. So if it refers to the situation, actually this is a composite function. So let this one s become y. Then express the x as a subject. So we have 2x which is equals to 3 minus the y, x which is equals to 3 minus the y over the 2. So kindly substitute the situation. So f bracket y which is equals to, now what we have to do is to change the term from x to y because we have fy. So kindly substitute the x where we have 3 minus y over the 2 over, we have 3 minus the y over the 2 minus the 2. Kindly equate the denominator. So we have fy which is equals to 3 minus the y over the 2 over, we have 3 minus the y and then minus the 4 over the 2. Rewrite the situation. 3 minus the y over the 2 bracket, we have 2 over, we have negative y and then minus 1. So kindly simplify the situation. We have the fy which is equals to 3 minus the y over, we have the negative bracket y plus the 1. So find the fx. So fx where we will have y minus the 3, it become x. So x minus the 3 over, we have x plus with the 1. So refers to the situation, find the domain for the f. So negative infinity until negative 1 union negative 1 until infinity. So that will be the domain for the f. At the same time, actually it is the range for the f inverse. Next, in order to find the range, what we have to do is to refer to the c, referring to the inverse later on. So let's focus on the b. So kindly focus on the b. Show that fx is one-to-one function by using the algebraic approach. So here we have the x sub 1 which is equals to x sub 2. So kindly substitute. We have x sub 1 minus the 3 over the x sub 1 plus with the 1 equals to x sub 2 minus with the 3 over the x sub 2 plus with the 1. Kindly cross multiply the situation. So x sub 1 minus the 3 multiply with x sub 2 plus with the 1 equals to x sub 2 minus the 3 multiply with the x sub 1 plus with the 1. Kindly expand. X sub 1, x sub 2 minus, we have the plus x sub 1 minus the 3x sub 2 and then minus the 3. So x sub 1, x sub 2 plus x sub 2 minus 3x sub 1 and then minus the 3. Notice that we have the same element in here. So we will have 0. Same element for this part. Again, we will have 0. So at the end, the simplest one would be x sub 1 minus 3x sub 2 equals to x sub 2 minus 3x sub 1. So kindly rearrange the situation. So in here we will have x sub 1 plus with the 3x sub 1 equals to x sub 2 plus with the 3x sub 2. So 4x sub 1 equals to 4x sub 2. So x sub 1 equals to x sub 2. Shows that fx is 1-to-1 function. Kindly refers to c. Find the f inverse. Do you remember the statement y equals to fx? So f inverse of y which is equals to x. So kindly substitute. Y is equals to x minus the 3 over x plus with the 1. So we have y multiplied with x plus 1, x minus 3. xy plus with the y equals to x minus the 3. Kindly rearrange the situation. X bracket y minus the 1 equals to negative 3 minus the y. So x is equals to a negative bracket 3 minus the y become plus the y over y minus the 1. So f inverse of the x will be equals to 3 plus with the x over 1 minus the x. So that is the f inverse. So the domain for the f inverse would be negative infinity until 1 union 1 until infinity. So here we have the range for the f. So that is the answer for question A. So the range for the f would be negative infinity until 1 union 1 until infinity. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.